In today's video, we're going to discuss how to build a business website for your business a simple and quick way so that your company has the web presence to qualify for business credit. iManagement Solutions has a signature product called iBiz Web Online. This product is a partnership with GoDaddy. We chose to partner with GoDaddy because of their superior customer service, which they provide great support to customers as a whole. They also have a great platform for us to actually utilize their do-it-yourself website creator. We chose this partnership because this will allow us to report to the business credit bureaus. So now I'm going to walk you through the steps to show you how easy and simple it is to utilize this website creator, which will allow you to build your business website so that you can get this web presence to qualify for business credit. And we also report your payment history to the business credit bureaus. Okay, we're on the back office for iBiz Web Online, powered by GoDaddy. So what we're going to actually show you how to create a website in 5 minutes or less. So let's say, for example, that you have a trucking company. You want to create a website for your trucking company. So what you're going to do in here, you're going to key in trucking. And trucking has appeared. And you're going to hit next. And you're going to put in the name of your trucking company here. So let's say, for example, that your trucking company, will be in your name. We're just going to hypothetically make this up just for the purposes of this demo. And let's say your name is actual Devin. So you're just going to name it Devin Trucking or Devin's Trucking. And we're going to hit next. And so what it's doing now is actually going through the process of setting up your website. And as you can see, it's Devin's Trucking. And as you scroll down, you see that it's already incorporating the services in there that your business provides. You do have the option to edit those services if you choose to do so. But your website is really up and running in 5 minutes or less, guys. And so as you can see, it already has the pictures here built for you. And so the only thing that you have to do is update your address. And so what you would do here is just put in your physical address. And so let's say, for example, let's say you were located in Atlanta, right? So what we're going to do is just put a fictitious name here, street address name. We're just going to say 1321 Blanding Street. And we're just going to put that J out because I actually didn't put the J in. And we're going to say Atlanta, Georgia. And we're going to remove New York from here and put in Georgia. And you can put in your zip code if you choose to also. And your phone number, of course, we're just going to put in your business phone number. And we have the business phone number input there. And now, your website is up and running. Now, if you chose to edit some areas of the website, you do have the option to do so. But your website is literally up and running. And once you finish, you hit publish. Now you have a website that's ready and available for your web presence so that if any of one of your business creditors wanted to actually take a look at your company and see what you were about, you're actually qualified up and running for business credit if they wanted to check you out. So get started with us. That way you can actually build your own website. You can have it up and running in as little as 5 minutes. It's cost effective, it's affordable, and we also report to the business credit bureaus. So just to give you an idea of what the plans would be, you're actually going over to websites. You're going to go over to website builder. And we're going to scroll down. As you can see, there's actually $5.99 per month. You have a $10.99 per month plan. You have a $14.99 per month plan and a $26.99 per month plan. It all depends on what you're wanting from the procedures and the processes for your website. So get started with us today. And we're looking forward to having you on board with us.